Okay, I wanted to do a little video. Couldn't find anything on YouTube for this, but on a 2016 Toyota Prius, a hybrid cooling system maintenance light came on. It said take to the dealership. Looked at a couple of the forums, the older first gen Prius, and they said that it was likely just the air filter fan. So on the older ones, I think it was behind the driver's seat, driver's side back seat. There's a cooling fan. I'm not sure which side it's on, but on the 2016 Plus Prius, it's actually, this is the passenger seat. It's right here, and so you just take a screw out right there, and there is the fan. So you pull the filter out, and I got 72,000 miles on the car, and this is what the filter looks like. It's a very, very thin, just a very simple filter. About 70,000 miles in the Arizona and California environment. It's extremely dusty. I don't know, I haven't priced this yet, but it should be pretty cheap part. Just one screw to get it out. So that obviously is taking in the cabin air, so make sure your cabin filter is also clean, which is located through the back of the what's this called, glove box. It's just right, goes right there. So dealership replaced mine maybe 15,000 miles ago. It's already starting to look pretty dirty, so I think I'm probably going to replace this again pretty soon, because obviously that hybrid fan is pulling air from the cabin. So if this filter is dirty, and then just for kicks, I pulled the engine air filter. I think this is it's not too old, but it's also looking pretty dirty. And that is just found right at the front of the engine compartment. Just pull these two little tabs, and right there. Super simple. Just thought this would be of use to someone else trying to figure it out like I was. Okay, this is the filter right here, and hopefully this is in frame, but it's just this screw right here. It's actually a one of those rivet screws. So once you pull this out, I just take a flathead and gently just kind of pop into this a little bit, and then this will come right out. And then from there, you just work this a little bit. There's your filter. Super simple.